It's true that a lot of people can drive their cars without AC, but it becomes a bit difficult and dangerous during rainy period. You're originally meant to wind up whenever you're driving in the rain, so as to prevent the interiors of your car from getting wet and also your body. This is why it's of extreme importance to have AC in your car, or better still, an automatic climate control. It's an advanced air conditioning system that automatically controls temperature, provides defroster nozzles for your windshield and side windows in order to eliminate fogging effect, which will obviously give you a clear vision and you are able to see every car around you. Apart from these functions, you are also relaxed and focused while driving. Hello viewers, I am Hilda Shaibu. Welcome to yet another educative episode of Auto Expert, your guide to safety. As always, we've got a lot slated for your viewership. Do not touch that dial. I'll be right back. Another one from Dance.
It's original Pata man. Yeah. Oh baby, tell me how you want time, and I promise to take you to Uptown.
Yes, yo, in case you don't know, it's original Pata man, you know, they call me the bad man Skilash, you know, everything nice, everything proper. Yo, this is my celebrity garage, as you can see. I got my two babies right beside me, you know, everything nice. The first brand of my car was Camry, and it was a very lovely car, and I drove it for like 2 years with peace of mind, you know, I enjoyed it. So before I move over to the next one, based on upgrading to EOD, then EOD was trending, you know, I was okay, let me be among the big boys trending in town, you know. Next, I said, okay, let me get this based on Lexus, and this is the second one. I just got this one like just 2 months ago. And you can see everything nice, you know, we just living, thank God for everything. Like I said, tomorrow can change any person.
See how you fresh,
I service every once in 3 months and everything is okay. If I have an important event, I use this, my baby, you can see, white, you know, blend, you know, white is holy. You know, thank God for us, you know, making it real. You know, Benz is a very good car. Benz is just like, you know, believing in Jesus Christ, but it's not Jesus Christ. But when you talk about guarantee, you know, it can take you anywhere, any length. No disappointment. You know, most time my clubs, you know, I don't want anything, you know, that will fuck me on 3rd Milan Bridge or anywhere. I hate to in my car. So before I go out, I check out everything. Then I know that everything is okay. Then from there I move on, and it bring me back safely. You can see, no, why would this guy give me any fuck up? Well, you can see I bought it brand new from America, you know, fresh.
Feeling the heat, oh yeah, twerk it for me, oh. She wanna bring it like a ringtone.
Insurance is very important too. If you don't have insurance in your car, that means you are sleeping on a bicycle. You know, it's very important for those that don't do insurance in their car. I think you have to go and get yours. Most of the time I go to the island, anywhere you call me, I take what I can control. You understand? I don't over drink and start driving. You know, I take what I can control. And it's very good for an artist, not even artists, everybody. And don't drink and drive. But you know, some people when they drink at the club, they will still take extra. They will say, okay, one for the road. Don't do one for the road though. Don't do one for the road. It's not good for your health, you know, it's not good for your family, you know. It's not good for anyone. You know. Peace, you know.
The things where you suffer today, oh, I pray you don't go see them tomorrow. The things where we suffer today, oh, I pray
when you have a customized number, you don't have to look for gate pass or anything. With the customized number, you are covered. Anywhere you are covered.
I don't see, I count them all as joy. Whatever go be, no matter the situation. Without sin.
The vital part of my car, what I check, my radiator, my oil gauge, my jack gauge, the power steering gauge, and what is my brake, everything. Check my tire around if I have any leakage, you know, to confirm my movement.
Judge until the judgment day. Ola dara, Ojú ló pẹ́ sí ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Who be the next to blow?
Holy Jah knows the things where you suffer today, oh. I pray we not go see them tomorrow. Tomorrow go bring another blessing. Tomorrow fi change any person. Mama, mama, Keep on watching Celebrity Garage, you know. Peace.
Overeating, poor car behavior and engine knocks are poor car's engine performance. For more info and safety tips, watch Auto Expert on the following channels and follow all our social media platforms at Auto Expert. For advert placements and sponsorship, call 080-2424-5543. Welcome back. Please note this, if you don't have air condition and you're driving in the rain, always make sure to have a hand towel to clean your windshield regularly as you drive. Your wipers alone can't do it, especially if the rain is heavy. Also clean your windows and side mirrors at intervals so as to prevent any form of accident, as your life and that of other road users are golden. It does not matter how much you want to prevent the rain from entering into your car. Leave a little space as you try to wind up your glasses so you don't get choked. However, we strongly advise you get one if you don't have yet. And be sure to drive carefully each time you're out this season. Keep adequate moving distance. Don't overspeed, it kills. Do not change lanes abruptly. We've come to the end of today's episode of Auto Expert. I remain your host, Theo the Shaibu. Keep watching Auto Expert, it's your guide to safety.